Example 1, finding Fahrenheit. When the temperature is 0 degrees in Celsius, it is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Then for every 1 degree C increase in temperature, there is an increase by 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Create a formula for the temperature in Fahrenheit in terms of the temperature in Celsius, then use that to find 100 degrees C in Fahrenheit. Okay, so as 0 degrees C is equal to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, we're given that in the question in the first sentence, we can say that Fahrenheit is equal to some multiple of the temperature in Celsius. We're not sure of this bit yet. So C is the temperature in Celsius, K is some constant that we haven't figured out yet, plus 32. Because this way, if C was 0, then regardless of what K is, this bit would be 0, plus 32 gets us back to this. Okay? And then for every 1 degree increase in Celsius, that's a 1.8 degree increase in Fahrenheit. So that's sort of like a gradient. As x goes across 1, y goes up 1.8, or something like that. So in this case, we can say F equals 1.8C plus 32, where C is the temperature in Celsius and F is the temperature in Fahrenheit. So if we want to find when C is 100 degrees, we just need to sub in 100 for C here, and that gives us 1.8 times by 100 plus 32, and remember that's F for the temperature in Fahrenheit. 1.8 times 100 is 180, so 180 plus 32, which is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can see we can quite easily create formula and use these to find unknowns. Example 2, finding further formulae. The cost of a house started at £250,000 and every year its value increases by £7,000. Create a formula for the cost of the house. Use that formula to work out how much the house will be worth after 10 years. Let's say C is the cost of the house. T can be the number of years. And of course, in this case, C is dependent on T. Okay? So as T changes, C changes, etc. So initially, we had that C is 250,000. But then every single year, it goes up by 7,000. So a multiple of 7,000 each year. So 7,000 T in this case, because if T was 1, then this part of the formula would just be 7,000. So you can see 1 year, it goes up by 7,000. If T was 2, then that's 2 years, so it would go up by 2 lots of 7,000, and so on. So here, we want 10 years, so we've just got to substitute 10 in for T. So we're doing 250,000. Remember, this is equal to C, plus 7,000 lots of 10. 7,000 lots of 10 is 70,000, so we can have 250,000 plus 70,000, which gives us £320,000. So the price of the house after 10 years is £320,000. If you found this video useful, why not try the topic test on our learning platform? Here, you can answer a series of questions and get instant feedback on how you've done. So you can see for every problem, you have a written solution that exactly explains how you should have solved the problem.